put a clear distinction as to what will be tackled in today's hearing of the Committee on Appropriation versus the Infracom. So we are not doing the investigation of the alleged anomalies in the past. Let's be clear. We are only taking a look at what's there in the current NEP and what items in the current proposal of the DPWH would need to be removed. I understand that there may be instances wherein you would need to reference what happened in previous years as a basis or foundation for the argument for what needs to be overhauled in the 2026 budget. But I would like to request the members of that are present here today to please contextualize your questions on the 2026 budget. Again, ang intensyon po natin ay matulungan yung DPWH na ma-overhaul yung budget, yung panukalang budget ng kanilang ahensya para po sa taong 2026. So again, let us please frame the discussions of today on the 2026 budget. We are not infringing on the jurisdiction of the Infracom because they are focused on investigating the anomalies of the alleged anomalies in the past years and identifying which personalities would need to be held accountable. And that's not what we're doing here today. Ang ginagawa po natin sa ating pagdinig ngayon ay alamin kung paano po natin aayusin yung panukalang budget ng DPWH para sa taong 2026. So I just want to draw that clear distinction po for our members present here today.